Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to fix ATB application not working on your iOS device. Sometimes, while operating the ATB application, you might go through some of the issues. No matter what the issue are, here are some general troubleshooting steps you can follow to find and fix the solution. To find and fix the issue, the first step is to check for internet connection. Most application requires an internet connection to function properly, so always make sure to turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try switching between them to find the best connection for yourself. After you've done that, next go ahead and look for available updates for the application. Open your App Store and then search for ATB app. Once you come to this page, look if there is an update option available. If you don't see an update button, it means that your application is up to date already. In this case, you can move on to the next step. But for those who have outdated application, once you update the app, this might be able to fix functionality issues. Once you have the application updated, tap on Open and then try logging into your application. If the problem still continues, you can try and force close and restart the app. Swipe out from the bottom of your home button and then this will bring up the app preview card. Swipe the app preview card upwards to close it off completely. Now open the app again from your app drawer and this might be able to fix your issue right away. If that still doesn't help, consider rebooting your iPhone. Doing so will clear out temporary memory and resolve minor software issues that might be affecting the app. Apart from that, you can check for app permissions, clear out app cache, and if nothing else helps, maybe there is a temporary issue going on with the application currently. In that case, you can opt for web browser option and log into atb.com website. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through the application error for ATB app on your iPhone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.